And I'm just appreciating that they put SPF in it, which is important when you go out. Hey everyone, it's me Ice, and today I wanted to do kind of like a random beauty video of things I've been loving and wearing as of late. But I just filmed a TikTok. All the Huda Beauty palettes that I have, I'm such a massive fan of Miss Huda. I'm anxiously waiting for the cream shadows to be released on the 26th. I might get both. I think I'm leaning on getting both, so I'll do a video on that. I'm just gonna go through my box here. Cute little box here of my makeup that I carry with me when I film or, you know, do TikToks or whatever. I just want to show you some of the items that I have been gravitating to and still gravitate to. First of all, my new favorite lashes are from Lily Lashes, like I said before. Oh, by the way, sorry for the background noise. I live in the city, so I'm so sorry. For lashes, I've been really loving the Angel Lashes from Lily Lashes because it only goes like up to here, as you can see, and it's light and I don't get tired with heavy ones. Usually when I wear heavy lashes I get sleepy, but these are perfect. It gives you that nice fluttery butterfly effect, so I've been wearing these non-stop. And for today's eyeshadow look, I'm wearing the Nude by Huda Beauty, the viral one that a while years back. I just love pink. I think pink looks beautiful on brown skin, and I wanted to wear bright colors as of late because I've been feeling really good. I've been feeling very at peace with things, and I wanted my look to reflect that. So I've been wearing a lot of pink eyeshadow and bright colors. The Peach Corrector from Huda Beauty, I highly recommend it. I mean, I've never seen my face look like this, but I've been wearing this like under my eye and it's been such a beautiful glow and radiant, and I love how it just goes well with my skin tone. It's just so beautiful. I can't describe it. It's just this neutral glowy look, and I love it. I just really love it. So I've been using this with my concealer. So if you know what I mean, this is a must. This is Peach, by the way. The Airbrush Flawless Setting Powder, the best. I gravitate to this, my favorite. I am wearing MAC right now. I'm wearing MAC. So this one here is the Yash from MAC, like a nice nude. As you can see here, it's a nude color. For gloss, I'm wearing Spite. I said this a while back, one of my favorite glosses. It's really pretty. I wear these too. And for pencil, I do love the Charlotte Tilbury ones, but I haven't been wearing it as of late. I've been using these. This is the Sephora collection one, and the Rouge Gel Pen. This one is in Molasses. I use it to outline my lips, and to blend it in, I use Rare Beauty. This one is Wise. If you could see it's a nice nice combo for a darker brown, which I blend in and then I put a gloss on top. And for highlighter, I love my Royalty 2 loose highlighter from Juvia's Place, but today I'm wearing Kimchi Chic. It's like a blue hue type of reflecting highlighter, but I really like my Juvia's Place. But for today, I felt like doing something a little different, adding a little color to my face. I wanted to look like a planet, so this is what it's giving. Two of my favorite concealers. I haven't used anything else. It's Huda Beauty. I've been using this non-stop. Praline and Granola are my must-haves when doing my face to brighten and to conceal, so I love these. And for mascara, I love Hourglass. I have this one and I have two actually. Two of their mascaras I have currently, and I use this all the time. It lifts my lashes and I highly recommend it. Hourglass has some really beautiful items and I highly recommend their mascaras. And for setting my face, I use the Peach Pie by Huda Beauty. I've been using it lately and I love it. It is absolutely beautiful, absolutely perfect for my skin tone. It gives just this beautiful, warm, peachy look, and it's bright it's just good for personally, I think since I have like, you know, brown skin, this is really beautiful on, you know, brown girls, you know. I mean, try for yourself, but I love how it looks. I gravitate to this and I use this all the time. I got the small version because I wanted to make sure that I liked it, and believe me, I really do. And there's like, it just sets my face beautifully. I don't have to really repeat myself. My favorite bronzer, I've hit pan, the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush. See it, number 3. This is the best bronzer hands down. I love this bronzer. Little random lip gloss wise, I don't really wear this, but I wear this like a couple times. I have to get back on it, but I really love Dolled Up by Gwen Stefani's line. It's like a beautiful pink, like a nice pretty pink, and you could definitely see the pigmentation. Let me see if I could wear this a little bit, because see how it brightens up the look? It's just so pretty. Just like, look at that. I have to even it out a little bit, but it's just, it brightens up your face. It's just really pretty. I was having this moment of pink, obviously, and pink lips with like a nice bright desserty look. This fits. I was looking for this. It was sold out where I'm at, but this is really pretty. So if you're at Sephora, definitely give this a swatch. This is very girly and very pretty. All right, so I got 2 foundations here. I really like these 2, but right now for today I'm wearing Rose Ink all over my face. Guys, I've also concluded I cannot wear dry foundations. This dries and this will accentuate my laugh lines, and I can't do that anymore. So I'm not using this as much, unfortunately, because of this has a beautiful glow though. This is Huda Beauty foundations are the best in my opinion, but now that, you know, I am a woman and I laugh so much, it accentuates my laugh line. So I'm like, I have to bring a brush and just touch up everything when I go out. So Rose Ink has just been my go-to because it's very luminous and it has a lot of skin benefits while wearing the makeup, which I'm wearing right now. It is just one of my favorites, and I just really love Rose Ink. I've said that so many times. It's just really beautiful on the skin. And this one I use to conceal my dark spots when I go out. Like when I have like a little like dark spot, I just get a brush and conceal like a couple dots, and I put mascara and I leave the house. This is perfect also for concealing. So I love this for concealing, but this is a really great foundation. When I'm out, I don't sweat as much, but at night it's just gorgeous on the skin. Like, I kid you not, people were, I don't know, I think it was the makeup, like people were staring at me. I don't know, I said, do you like my foundation or not? Like, why are you looking at me? But it was just very interesting. But this was, I can't express how beautiful her foundations are. You'll definitely be glowing when you wear her foundations. This one and the Luminous Fox Filter foundation or something, I forgot. But I'll put like a little picture here of it. But yes, love this. I love this. If I had to rank my foundation, I had to dump my foundations, by the way. So I only have 3 foundations, which is this, and Rose Ink. And I'm also losing Rose Ink. I don't have a lot left. This one I would have to rank number 2. This is a beautiful foundation. It has SPF in it, which is fantastic when you're going out. Love the way it makes me look when I wear this. It makes you look like a dream as well. This is so pretty. But I do like this foundation. I'm surprised no one's really talking about it, but it's true. There is a scent to it. It's kind of like not the best scent, but you'll come out looking very pretty with this foundation. And I'm just appreciating that they put SPF in it, which is important when you go out. I just want to reiterate this again and again. I think everyone should have this in their kit. The Makeup by Mario Master Mattes palette. Everyone should have this. When you're traveling and you don't want to wear, like, this is the perfect matte palette. I use this a lot, and to transition colors and for like the outer part if I want something smoky. I think everyone should have this palette in their kit or when they travel. It's just the perfect matte in my opinion. Pat McGrath, her eyeliner pencil, the Black is Black. Highly recommend. Highly, highly. Look how the best pencils I have as of late. It's just awesome. I'm wearing it. I wear it all the time. So yeah, I really, really love Pat McGrath's pencils and her lip glosses, by the way. So beautiful. Other than that, you guys, that is it. This is what I have most of the time in my kit. Just wanted to go over what I have as of late, what I've been gravitating to, and I do have an order of new makeup coming in tomorrow from like Mel Cosmetics. That's my first with them. Body oil, I forgot the brand name, but that's new for me. And I got Norvina lashes coming in, Wishful, like that pineapple scrub I've been using. I got a big bottle of that, so that's coming tomorrow. I'm super excited, so I should be doing a video on that. That is it for this video. Just want to do a little chit chat, a little, you know, a little update on like what I've been liking and what I've been using. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, if you have any questions, please feel free to write me anytime. I'm here and I really love makeup. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate you and I love you all, and I hope you have a great week. Bye.